Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the humidity sensor in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the left side refrigerator door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw, securing the sensor and switch access cover. Remove the cover. Disconnect the sensor wire connector. You can now unthread the mounting screw to release the old sensor. To install the new humidity sensor, align it in the access cover and thread the mounting screw. Connect the wire connector. Realign the tabs on the access cover. Lower the cover and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.